basically, we have decided today that there will be restrictions on tourists coming from outside the state from the 23rd of April. This will be applicable for the next 14 days post the 23rd of April. But tourists within the state, local tourists will still be able to visit some of the tourist destinations. But we are giving the liberty to the deputy commissioners to decide certain tourist locations which could be very, very crowded. So we are ensuring that the crowding doesn't take place. So in general, as I said, tourists from outside will not be allowed from the 23rd of April and for the next 14 days after that. But at the same time, local tourists will still continue, and we will review the situation after that. We have also decided that private offices should function at 50% capacity, and those who can work from home should work from home. Even in government offices, we have decided to go for restrictions. So similarly, there will be 50%